What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. You don't know, say, we outside, Yeah, man, so tonight, me and wifey just go for some dinner. Like, usually whenever we come to Jamaica, we always go to this spot. It's nothing, nowhere fancy or anything like that. The name of the spot in Negril is called Best in the West or Best in the West. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, Best in the West, right? Yeah, so we just go there and eat some food and, enjoy the evening and then forward back home. Is me I say? So I just go take you along the journey with me. Forward.
So dark.
Yep.
Look, one street light.
One street light. Like every 5 miles or 10 miles to Rati.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when the tea.
Yes, guys, so this is my drinks. My first drinks, so far. Whoa. This is strong. This is the rum runner. Alright? So whenever you come to Best in the West and you want something strong, the rum runner is my choice. This is the best one right now. I chose the fried chicken. Deandra got some Barbie fry. And Jaden, he ordered the steamed conch. Yeah, man, so right now I'm hungry. I can't wait for them to bring the food to the table. Oh, and we also got some conch soup. So that we'll deal with right now. So just keep watching.
She actually asked you and that's when I passed that to the now what thing here, what is the pack?
Conch soup, nice. Yes, people, this is the fried chicken with rice and peas festival up on the side and some fresh shredded cabbage and carrot Barbie fry over there. So, yeah. Then with the steamed conch.
So the place and I spend time up for do something and drain over.
Not doing
I
over.
have to try that.
Eat curry tongue.
Huh? You beat the carton?
Eat curry tongue.
It is carton.
But you better than curry tongue.
Yes, people, the rice and peas, let me tell you, excellent. Flavorful. The fried chicken. 10 out of 10, guys. I'm speechless right now. 10 out of 10. Everything on the plate is like excellent. Can't complain, guys. I tell you. Definitely come check them out. Yeah.
Me, I want to spend really low. So you look at you want to remember.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please. Lifestyle tune up, girl freeze when the tea is one. Yeah, a Keegan lifestyle.
Yes, guys. Let me tell you. The food was amazing. Watch it. Look on the plate them. Plate them empty, man. Watch it. Empty. Yeah, man. Can't complain, guys. Can't complain. Yes. Everything was like above my expectation. So, the funny thing is, I was telling Deandra earlier, I was like, yo, let's go to Best in the West. And she was like, nah, I don't want to go there because them food not good on this one. I'm say, yo, listen, let's go try them out, go check them out because you already know. And she's like, yeah. And she was like, all right, let's go to Best in the West. And we ended up coming here tonight and the food basically put her to shame, you know, because it was that good. Yeah, man. So big up to the chef, them, big up to the allied staff, them here at Best in West. Big up on yourself. Food was amazing.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk
Like
loud,
for the end of it,
Yeah, they come out and renovate it.
yeah, that's enough.
Yeah.
lifestyle tune up. Girl freeze when the tea.
Yes, guys. So now we're on our way back home. You know, the food was so good. You know, no complaints, guys. Big up Best in the West. We're definitely gonna check them out again before we leave Jamaica. You know, we have like about 15 more days here or so, or 20 days left in the country on the island before we head back to Florida. You know, so just continue to watch our journey, pay attention, and see what we have in store, you know? Big up on yourself, and remember to live good. Alright? Peace.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no